What's up to my furry critters? Today I'm going to show you how to add closed captioning to a YouTube video. So once you have your YouTube app open, you're just going to head over to the video that you want to add closed captioning onto. Now once you do this for one video, it should set for all the other videos and you won't have to keep doing this. Once you're on the video itself, you're just going to tap the video to bring up the different tools and then hit the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the video. And then the second option down from here is an option for captions. At this screen, you're either going to see 2 or 3 different options. If you see 3 options, you're going to hit the default caption because this means that the video creator actually created his own captions himself, so you know that the captions are going to be accurate. However, every video is also going to have their auto-generated ones, which is usually all you're going to see. Sometimes you might have to settle for that, but those are the auto-generated captions that are made by YouTube, so they might not always be the most accurate. But some videos, like I said, this guy has his own captions, so you could just choose those and you know that they will be accurate. And they will just be presented throughout the video, and you could just read those off. If you have any questions or were confused by this tutorial, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss, my friends.